If I'm going to make wudu, do I need an intention? Yes, I do. So certain actions of worship need an intention in order for the action to be valid. Come to make wudu, you say Bismillah, your intention is already in your heart that you're making wudu. So there's no problem. The only time your wudu will no longer be valid is when you make a different intention. And for example, if I come to wash my hand, my face, my legs, my arms, my head, just like, wudu. But my intention is not for wudu. My intention is just to rub off the dirt that's on my face, hands and legs. I have no intention of wudu. Does it become wudu? No, it doesn't. Do you make the intention out loud? There is nothing in the Quran or Sunnah which determines and says to you that you must say with your mouth the intention. The only two places that you say your intention is in Umrah and Hajj. You say it out loud. Labbaik Allahumma umratan or Labbaik Allahumma hajjan. Allah, I intend to visit your house with the intention of Hajj or with the intention of Umrah.